Hey guys, I'm tuning in for one final video to congratulate you on completing this course. Now, you've taken the first steps to earning a steady profit online, and I really hope that you didn't skip any of the videos, and if you did, please go back and watch them because each part of the course has been carefully crafted to give you everything you need to know to start your own online venture. Now, like I said, this is the final video of the course, and I'm not going to take up too much of your time right now. I just wanted to check in with you and give you some final words of encouragement before you go out there and start killing it. And I will say this again, if you have skipped some videos, now is the best time to go back and watch them because trust me, they will help you a lot. Now, there is nothing left for me to say. You have to go out there and make it happen on your own. Now, you have everything you need to start with a bit more experience and coaching. You will have your own steady online passive income in no time at all. Now, I hope we will keep in touch, and I look forward to hearing all about your success. So best of luck, and I'll be seeing you around.